Yeah. What's up, Emmalou?
Oh, sounds so nice.
It is. I could sleep in here.
Oh. Well, I got the compost pile turned.
Yeah?
It was steaming, like you gotta keep it wet, but they also say you gotta keep it covered, which I haven't done, but it's working because it's hot in the middle.
So you
airing it out and it breaks down faster the more you do it.
So you just made a huge muddy mound of manure is what
I did. Wait till you see it. I actually moved it too back a little bit, but there's a tarp over there. I want to cover it before we leave, but I think we're good. I think you
really?
Yeah. What do you have?
So I thought we were good a couple weeks ago when you said we were done. We were shutting it down.
Yeah, until the next nice spell.
And then all of a sudden, a couple days later, she finds out the plants didn't die.
Negative numbers. And the plant, without even the inflation fan on. We actually, look at it, we have peas in January.
So I guess we're not done.
Oh, I got to water. I brought some succulents from the barn. Watch out, you're going to get a wet butt.
So yeah, just when you thought, it was time to take a vacay, here we are, up here watering. What happened? Yeah, practice what you preach there, princess.
Wow.
I am still amazed that that little water tank can push this water all the way up to the high tunnel.
It's getting cold though. I can feel my hands getting cold. These poor things, they're almost dehydrated in the barn, but look how nice the other ones look that were outside.
Starting to get crowded in here.
Woo. Zoe?
Yeah, we have another family of mice that have decided to move in.
I have to put row cover on the crops. So when that happens, they all nestle in. Watch out, you're gonna get wet.
Well, Happy New Year.
Yes, it's exciting. I can't wait. I'm actually excited it's gonna be cold weather because then I don't have to come here.
She's kind of holding over my hangover, making me come out here and stand inside this gigantic Ziploc bag, gasping for breath.
Actually, you know what? It does get warm in here, and it's like, I don't know. I like the high tunnel. It's growing on me.
It gets warm, humid. It feels moldy to me.
Yeah, a little bit.
So, don't we have another cold spell coming up?
Yep.
Yeah, we have to disconnect 900 feet of hose today.
Yes.
Which ought to be fun. All right, getting ready to deal with this irritating irrigation system we have here. It's kind of cool when you don't have to, roll it up every other week. But for now, yeah, this sucks.
Everything is still very, I'm actually getting this, even if it's just that half workable. We're starting to get the water in here and starting to get all of the, the cover crops. The peas are growing, so then even if they die off, it's great because that's all organic matter going into the soil. So hopefully it's starting to draw some activity and microbial stuff into the soil because that's essentially what you want.
I don't know. I think you've been working the kids a little too hard though today.
What are you
They look exhausted over there,
What are you doing?
huddled in the corner, Trying to stay warm.
Oh, is there mice in the...
You kids okay? Gonna be all right?
What?
Yeah, exactly. I told you, leave them be. Hey, 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 leave them.
Oh, I think I killed it.
No, leave them.
Well,
You're
no,
gonna,
I
no.
didn't know there was something in there. She was pulling it out. I think I just squished it with
Well,
the
it did, whatever you did, it didn't sound pleasant.
wheel. No, it's not happy.
So leave them be.
Turn them
Now
Zoe,
Zoe's gonna be all over it.
I didn't know there was something alive in there. I wouldn't have
Turn them over on you.
But
Oh no! Here we go.
Zoe, leave it.
Not what we wanted to
You know
see.
It
What?
doesn't matter. He's dead.
Hey, hey, hey!
His back legs are dead. He might
You're
not-
letting. Hello! Oh my goodness, folks!
It's
Come on,
John.
Zoe.
Ah!
Zoe, let it out. Out.
Shelly!
Well, I killed its back legs or something.
Wow! Holy smoke! If that wasn't like the beginning of a Disney movie.
I don't know if we should leave this in here.
I can't believe that your dog just like destroyed a mole in front of us.
Come on, Zoe.
Hey, mole hole, get over here.
Where is it? Did it run? Oh,
She
gross.
ate
it.
Shelly,
Zoe.
now she's gonna get a taste of mole
Well,
blood.
at least it's dead.
Ugh.
Is it dead? Did you kill? Can you chomp it?
I hope it's dead. We don't need the mole to come out of the other hole.
Drop it. Drop it.
I hope it doesn't have something.
Yeah.
Don't drop it.
I hope you're happy.
Why?
No,
I didn't do it on purpose.
Shelly.
Dude, its legs were like hanging. It was dragging
We
its back
just
legs.
filmed Faces of Death 4. This is horrendous, folks. I apologize. It's supposed to be family friendly and
Drop it. Drop it. Zoe.
I don't have anything better than fresh meat to offer you, though.
yeah, next it's going to be one of our ankles.
Well, I guess we know what would happen if she ever found kittens.
Well, I hope she doesn't
Come on, drop it.
accidentally ever see my trouser mouse.
Good girl. No, drop it.
I'm not wearing boxer briefs to bed anymore because we could have a problem.
Yes, I think it's dead.
Only men are going to get that joke.
I think it's dead.
Yeah,
Just let her be. She'll do what
if
she
it
wants.
isn't,
If she
it
thinks-
should be.
If she thinks we're not like after her, well, I guess there's one.
So listen,
One
what
less
lesson
mouse.
did you learn today?
Not to pick up that mower over there.
Yes, the mower is a mole motel. Leave it be.
You want to see the compost thing?
No.
I don't want to end on that note. That's
There's
a
so
terrible-
many. There's so many.
But
mice.
in all honesty, I think I did something to it because it was trying to walk and the back legs were dead.
Mom.
So it wouldn't have, it's just out of its misery.
It was
In all honesty,
baby mice.
No, it was a big one.
in all honesty, you're correct. You did something to it. Yes.
Let's be done.
Go
Ugh.
home now.
We gotta shut this off now. Do you want me to drive down and shut it off and then
Can I?
I'll walk up with you?
We're gonna have to
There's
take the
umbrellas.
hose off.
There's umbrellas, so at the farm.
Maybe we could find the mole and give it a proper burial in the mulch pile.
I think it's gonna get pooped out.
It better.
She was eating it.
Ugh. All right, folks. Thought we'd give you an update. Things are going great for some of us here at the greenhouse today. For others, it was not a great beginning.
No.
It was the beginning of the end of 2025.
Let's get the row cover on now so I don't have to come back tomorrow.
All right, so we're going to give this another go, and if it survives another cold freeze, and this one doesn't seem to be as bad as the one that we just had,
Yeah.
we're still in
No,
business
actually,
here.
This one, it's only going down to 12 at night now, not -6. So that's our coldest temperature so far for this season, for this winter, is -6. And the strawberries don't need to be covered, but the peas weren't covered and they still survive. So I'm gonna do the broccoli and the lettuces and can you believe it? They don't grow very fast when it's cold though. Like we're not getting broccoli in 55 days. We're
What?
getting-
Why do I have a feeling we're never stopping?
Here.
Like this is just going to continue.
Here, hold that.
Yeah.
Don't put it in the water though. I need to keep this as clean as possible. And it's definitely.
We should be walking out in the field and covering the mole with this. What are we doing?
We're gonna put it over the tops.
All right. I got to get it wide. All right, folks. I got to hang up now. We're going to go cover them all and dig a hole. Yes. See ya.